Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. So let's start. First, open your Facebook app. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, and go to Settings. Scroll down, and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now go to Deactivation and Deletion. So if you want to delete your account, select Delete and Continue. Now select a reason. Tap Continue to account deletion. Remember, if you want to keep your Messenger, you can deactivate your profile instead. You can also save your post in your archive. Download your information. Now if you want to continue, tap Delete Account. Now you have to enter your password to confirm. Now I'll just enter mine and tap Continue. Remember, if you're deleting your account will be deactivated for the first 30 days. And you can reactivate your account by logging in. After those 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. And that's how you delete your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.